Hi, welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Cassie and I'm your host, and I have some happy mail today and I am so excited to share it with you guys. So my happy mail comes from a company called Guchet, and it is out of Daytona Beach, Florida, which is a beautiful place, which is happens to be close to my heart because both of my biological parents are from Orlando, so I know all about Daytona Beach. But anyway, so yes, it's out of Daytona Beach. I'm sorry, I'm looking at my computer so I can tell you some more stuff about them. Their website is www.guchet.com. That is Guchet.com. Okay. Now I'm gonna have that in the description. Okay. So if you wanna check out their site, go ahead with the description. All right. So they have all sorts of different kinds of yarns. A lot of these yarns is stuff that well, first off, they're priced really nicely. Okay, and they have a big variety. And I'm liking it all, okay? And you're gonna get to see a few from my heavy mail. But before I keep going on, I just want to let you know they have crochet hooks and other kinds of notions like that. They also have knitting supplies, so my knitters, you're totally covered too. And best of all, they have mystery bags, which is so awesome. You know how much I love mystery bags, so they might start cycling through my mystery bag Mondays. And for those of you who are new to my channel, every Monday I open mystery bags. It's great, it's fun. Anyway, so they also have other handmade items, accessories, just all sorts of stuff. Something that I really, really love about them is that they have gift sets of yarn. Okay, hint to any of my friends you might be watching this. No, for real though. They have gift sets of yarn the colors are already picked out. They all go together, and you know, for those of you who are color challenged like me, that really helps because if it's up to me, I'll just put yellows together and be like, it's yellow, yay! Or I'll just, get an ombre, or just trust that some kind of cake that has different colors just goes together. But when they come in color coordinated and stuff like that, those kinds of sets, it really helps people like me. So that's something I really appreciate. It also kind of helps you plan projects too. So they have all sorts of gifts and gift sets. They also have t-shirts, and they have patterns. So like they have got everything you could possibly want. Alright, so, and also another thing that's really nice is that you can order from their website, or you can order by phone, or I believe that they do have an in-person store. Like I said, it's on South Ridgewood Avenue, and it is in, like I said, it's in South Daytona Beach, Florida. Okay, so if you guys want to see them in person, that's definitely a place to go. It also looks like they have I want to say that this is an Instagram account. No, it's Facebook. They've got a Facebook account for certain. They might have an Instagram account. I don't do Instagram, so. Anyway, so that's just a little bit about them. I'm really excited to open my Happy Mail, though. So I am going to open the Happy Mail. So this came in the mail yesterday. Very, very fast shipping. She told me she would send this out to me on Monday. And I got it... Actually, I think I might have gotten it on Wednesday. So, and understand I'm pre-recording this, so it'll probably go up in a couple of days. But anyway, so first off, it comes with 10% off my next purchase and a 10% off code. They have these really great samples that they send, and I really like that. They also show some tools and notions, so you can kind of look at this and get an idea of some of the stuff that they sell. Here are some of the colors, and again, they've got these little samples so you can feel how soft. That is soft! My goodness, that is soft. This is Porin, and somehow I ended up with a blank piece of paper. I actually don't think that was originally in there, but it might have been. Okay, so they might send you some blank pieces of paper, but most likely not. So I'm really excited about this company. They also have free shipping on orders of, I believe it's 55 or more. And there's a code that they have on their website that tells you how to get free shipping, okay? So I also want to include that. So, here we go. So I apologize to anybody who doesn't like the kind of plasticky opening thing, but we have got to get into this box. So they sent me a little package of all sorts of notions, and I am so happy. Look at all these wonderful things here. They sent me this beautiful hair clip. It is so pretty. Look at that. That is so cool. It's like a bobby pin type hair clip, and it's probably rhinestones, and it's like scissors. That is so cool for a crafter, isn't that? I really like that. That is so awesome. I'm totally gonna wear this. I also got some stitch markers and a measuring tape. And seriously, between like my daughter, she actually sews and I crochet and knit, so having extra measuring tapes really help, especially considering that we both make wearables, so we have to measure like body parts and everything sometimes. But yeah, they include lots of different kinds of stitch markers, both the diaper pin ones and the ones that are more like a safety clip. I don't know if you can see it really well. Again, I don't have a way of zooming in on this particular camera right here. I will correct that very soon, but it's just got a little safety pin in there, so you can lock it up. So that's a metal one, and then they've got the diaper pin ones, or the ones that I call diaper pins. They look like little diaper pins in cartoons. So I'm really happy about that. I didn't expect those notions, but I do know that their mystery bags do come with notions. So what I got is some really awesome stuff. So first off, I got the Guchet Yarns Mod. Now this is a weight 3, and it's chain spun. So that's 2 strands. So that's what it looks like. It has this really beautiful metallic sheen to it. It is so pretty. This is 342 yards, okay? So it's 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 342 yards, or 312 meters. It is 43% polyester and 57% acrylic. This is amazing, okay? I absolutely love this. And right now on their site, I believe that this is very, very reasonably priced. Like almost like a steal. Let me find it. I have to. My computer has to wake up because it was just sitting there. So it has to reload the site. I probably shouldn't have closed it. Okay, so here it is. So the metallic yarn or mod yarn is for $3.50. I would definitely spend money on this, and I will have a reveal at the end, so if you want to watch to the end, I've got a surprise ending. But anyway, this is really great. All of the instructions are on here, really, really well made, band. Sometimes when you order from small businesses, the bands won't say very much on them, but this is very clear. It tells you where it's from and all of that kind of stuff. Beautiful yarn. I really cannot wait to make something out of this. Like seriously, I really can't. So I had told you earlier that they have this really soft yarn called Porin Yarn. This is so soft. It is hard to explain just how soft it is. Like, I really wish you guys can feel it through the camera, because it's just, ooh, it's so soft. Let's see what it is made of. This is also a weight 3 yarn. And I would say compared to this, it's thinner, but, you know, yeah, compared to this, it's thinner. I would say this is a thicker weight 3, and this is a thinner weight 3, comparative to each other. And again, this is a 1.5 ounce, 50 gram. It's got 142 yards or 130 meters. And, well, that's why it's soft. Wow, 60% silk, 30% cashmere, and 10% acrylic. You guys, this is amazing. And these colors, I love these colors. Oh, this is so soft. Like, I want to, like, immediately order more. Like, seriously. So let me go ahead and tell you what the prices on these balls are. Okay, so these are $2.50 each, and they have a lot of different colors. So many different colors. Let me see if I can give you a quick count on colors here. Oh my goodness. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I would say 24 colors at least. So you've got a lot to pick from. And they've got both jewel tones and these pastels, and every color of the rainbow. Basically, it doesn't look like they have black. I mean, they could. I'm just not seeing it on this page right now. And it doesn't look like they have white, but oh, this is really soft. This is just really, really soft. Love it. And the last item in my Happy Mail is the Guchet Yarns 100% acrylic 8-ply thickish yarn. And this is 3.3 ounce, 97 grams, and it's 139 yards. This is really, like, oh, it's hard to explain. Oh, it's so hard to explain what this feels like. It's machine washable, lay flat to dry, do not bleach. It's a 4-weight. Oh man, this is very soft. It's almost like, it reminds me of terry cloth. But like, I don't want to say that and then have you guys be like, oh, it's terry cloth, and then get it and be like, no. It's just, that's what it reminds me of. And let me go ahead and show you the thickness of that. I really like this. It feels like it would be really warm and snuggly. This is something that I'd want like a robe made out of. Like, I just think about like snuggling in this like in the morning with coffee. Like, I'm getting a vision. I see you in my future as a robe. Okay, no, I'm just being silly. Okay, so the thickish yarn, I just want to go ahead and make sure that you guys know what the prices are here. So they have both solids and, oh my goodness, $3.25 for all of them, both the solids and the stripes. And they've got a lot of different colors. They have, okay, it's going to take me a while to go through all of them, so let me just say they have more colors in that than they have in the Porin, okay? And it looks like they have black and white too. They call it a thicker 4. I would agree with that. It's not a 5, but it's a thicker 4. And it looks like the color that I got might have been, remember I said I was color challenged. This might be white and turquoise. Or no, it's blue and white. Yeah, this is blue and white. Nice. It's really nice. I'm looking right now at their butter yellow, and oh my gosh, I need it. Well, I don't need it, but like my mind says I need it. You know, I'm not saying that I need it. I'm just saying that I would be happier if I had it. Let's put it that way. Alright, so you guys, this is really, really amazing. Again, the link is in the description below. I'll also make sure that it's in my comment that I leave. But before you guys go, I wanted to show you something else. And it's really funny because as soon as she reached out to me and said, hey, I'd like to send you some Happy Mail, I was like, oh wow, that's awesome. Doesn't that mean that I've made it big? Because like, I got Happy Mail from like a small business. But seriously, as soon as they reached out to me, I was like, well, I'm gonna check them out. And you know what I did? I'm sure you know what I did. I bought yarn because, oh my gosh. So, surprise, I already had this yarn, but I'm really glad that I got an extra one. And you might recognize these colors. I'll give you a few seconds here to try to figure out where you've seen these colors. Okay, you got it? These are my channel colors. Alright? And what's really, really funny is that the other day I was talking to Greg and we were like, I think that we need to redecorate our living room. So I was all like, oh, I'm gonna do furniture shopping. Now I didn't actually purchase these, but they're in a queue for us to purchase over the next few months. So I picked out a new couch, and of course it's gray, and I picked out some new chairs, and they're like this rose color pink, which is kind of like in between these colors. And I picked out a rug that's pink and gray, and I picked out these pink lamps. And as I was going through it, I wasn't even thinking like, wow, maybe I'm really attracted to these colors because of some other reason. And once I had it all picked out, I went back and looked at it and I was like, oh, those are my channel colors. And it was really funny because that's when I heard from Guchet and I was like, ooh, I want to check out these colors. And then I was inspired to get these colors because I was like, ooh, I can make some pillows for the couch, I can make a throw and all of that. So I ended up buying 4 each of each one of these colors, and now I have a 5th one of these. And I mean, they're all beautiful, very stunning. You can see that sheen, I hope. It's metallic, it's beautiful. And with it being $3.50 each ball, and you get 342 yards for each skein. I shouldn't call it a ball, it's a skein, or a skein, depending on how you pronounce it, but seriously, it's a really great deal. These are going to make beautiful pillows, or pillowcases is what I mean, and this is going to make a beautiful throw, and I'm already thinking about more colors that I want and everything. Seriously, you guys, you should check them out. You will definitely be seeing at least one more mystery box that I'll be purchasing from them, and I just really am excited to share this with you. And I want to say thank you so much for sending me Happy Mail. I really, really appreciate it. That said, you know what to do. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. It really helps me out. If you want to comment below, let me know of any other kinds of shops that you have not seen me feature yarn from yet. Especially if they have mystery boxes, because I love mystery boxes, okay? And if you are a small shop or a large shop or whatever and you want to send me some Happy Mail, get a hold of me through my email address, and I will definitely, I mean, I'd pay for shipping, I'd pay for, you know, even an order. If you have any mystery boxes and you're a small business, just let me know about it and I'll purchase it and I'll talk about them on the channel because I love new yarn. Greg's over there glaring at me like, are you serious? You need more yarn, really? But, you know, I could always have more, right? Anyway, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for giving me your time, and for subscribing, and for liking this video, and for putting up with my yarn talk, and even enjoying it. What? And I will see you soon in another video. Have a really wonderful day.